soft and it's clarifying to remove product buildup, good for type 4 textures. Well, you know, there is the fact remains that if you're doing a lot of wash and go styling, like as you should with type 4 textures, or you're doing proper protective styles and prepping the hair properly, if you are keeping the hair super soft by doing the right thing to your hair, you might need a clarifier. I don't want you all to get confused with your hair being soft to needing to be clarified. If your hair is soft, it might just be because you're doing the right thing. But you can prevent your favorite styler and or conditioners from working the best they did, or the way they did the first time you used them, which is why you fell in love with them, by needing to clarify. I say for the 4s, only if you're doing what's right for your hair and your naturally dry hair is not dry anymore through proper hair care, then I would say use a clarifying shampoo. Hair Rules has an aloe grapefruit purifying shampoo that has suds, and it's great for a primary cleanser for women who have flat, straight, oily hair, and we also recommend it for naturally dry textures to remove buildup. So, but only if you're taking care of your hair the right way will you need to remove buildup. I would say once a month, once every 2 months, if that, but it's shaky ground, because I don't know how many of y'all have figured out your hair texture to where you'd be needing to clarify it with something that's going to dry it out. So again, only if you're doing what's right to your hair and you know you've turned back the hands of time and given your hair a youthful feel to it by being soft and it's not dry, are you ever going to need to clarify your hair. Okay.